Remy the Rabbit. Remy hops out of his burrow. Hop, time to play. Remy jumps over a log. Hop. Hi, birdie, says Remy, and off he hops again. Remy jumps into the puddle. Splash! So cool and wet. Remy jumps over the butterfly. Hop! Wait for me, says Remy. Remy jumps over the flower pot. Oops! Down he falls. Up you go, Remy. Remy jumps over the striped ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Can he jump over the big rock? 1, 2, 3. Hop! What a big jump! I did it, says Remy. Hopping is so much fun, says Remy. Time to go home now. Big hops, small hops. Every hop counts. Be brave, keep trying, and have fun.